Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by prepping everything for efficient stir-fry. Mise place makes fried rice faster and cleaner. Use 2 cups cold cooked rice and 1 cup diced cooked chicken. Chop 1/4 cup carrots and 1/4 cup scallions. Measure 1/2 cup peas. Beat 2 eggs and set aside. Also gather seasonings: 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and optional 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Have a spatula and a wok or large skillet ready, and portion 3 tablespoons neutral oil near the stove. Heat the wok until very hot for good sear and texture. High heat keeps rice from steaming. Heat 3 tablespoons oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add diced chicken and stir-fry until browned and cooked through, about 3 to 4 minutes. Push ingredients to the side. Scramble 2 eggs until just set. Stir in carrots and peas for 1 to 2 minutes until tender crisp. Add rice, breaking clumps. Then add 2 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sesame oil to season and toss rapidly. Once the rice is hot, stir constantly to distribute heat and avoid sticking. This creates separated grains and a slightly toasted flavor. Toss rice with chicken and vegetables until evenly coated and hot. Stir in any reserved sauce or an extra dash of sesame oil for aroma. Taste and adjust with up to 1 tablespoon more soy sauce or 1/2 teaspoon salt. Remove from heat, fold in 1/4 cup chopped scallions for brightness. Garnish with optional toasted sesame seeds and serve hot on plates or family style from the wok.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.